Hi, we are in front of 1375 Twin Bridge Lane in Lawrenceville, Georgia, in River Colony subdivision. This move-in ready 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home on a basement is fantastic. Can't wait to show it to you. For all of you who don't know River Colony, it's a swim tennis community very conveniently located between Interstate 85 and Highway 316. Let's go check it out. One of the very special features on the main level is this beautifully updated kitchen. Check out this gorgeous quartz countertop, the white backsplash, new sink and faucet, along with your black appliances. So many renovations in this home. What's not to love about this updated master bath? Check out this beautiful soaking tub, beautiful faucet, as well as the updated double vanity and master shower. This very open and bright floor plan has a catwalk up here on the upper level, so you can look over into the spacious family room with a fireplace and kitchen. Additionally, you have a finished bedroom and a finished bath on the basement level, plus an additional room and lots of storage. Thanks for joining us at 1375 Twin Bridge Lane. If you're interested in taking a look at this home with a private showing, please reach out. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks again.